Eshkeneh, a traditional Iranian comfort food, takes center stage in the bustling streets of Tehran. Originating from rural traditions, this rich and aromatic dish is made with fluffy bread soaked in a savory mixture of eggs, turmeric, and warm broth. Locals share fond memories of enjoying eshkeneh during chilly evenings, a food that feels like home. Vendors proudly recount how they prepare each serving to perfection, often adding a sprinkle of fresh herbs for a flavor explosion. Beyond its delicious taste, eshkeneh symbolizes warmth and community, uniting people through shared meals and stories. Discover how this street food continues to evolve while honoring its rich heritage as we taste the essence of Iran.